Jasmine, and I ordered this 3-tier no tool assembly shelf, and I'm really impressed with this. First things first, you can get this in like a 2-tier, 3-tier, 5-tier, 7-cube, 5-cube, cabinet with legs, so many different options. And I love that there's no tools required for the assembly for any of these. I needed something super simple for my son's room to put his books in, and I actually have one of those cube totes I'm gonna put in here to throw his dinosaurs in. We don't keep a ton of toys in here just because we have a playroom and we try and keep their rooms for sleeping. So we'll just have a few toys in here. His favorite books, again, we have another bookshelf in the playroom, but these are the ones we rotate before bed on a regular basis. And then I have this cute little dinosaur decoration because his room is dinosaur themed. And then it's November, so I'm able to put his Christmas tree up here and keep it off the floor, so that is a bonus. I'm gonna take this stuff off and we're gonna take a look at it a little bit closer. My son is 2, and while this shelf is super sturdy and does have a little bit of weight to it, I don't really have to tether it to the wall, because if it falls on him, it's really not gonna hurt unless there's something really heavy inside there. So I'm not gonna tether this one to the wall just because of the size. If I got one of the bigger ones, or like the shelf cabinet with the legs, I would definitely tether that to the wall for him. This is the black, and it is so beautiful. You can see that wood grain in there still, which I love, but it comes in so many colors. The colors are gonna vary in availability based off of which option you choose, but I love that each option comes with different color options to choose from. The no tool assembly on this is amazing. My husband put this together for me last night because I was being a little bit lazy, and he said that this is like the easiest shelf he's ever put together. So let me show you the hardware. So if you get up close, you can see these little plastic things. They press right in there and they compress when they go in. And then there's wooden dowels to help keep the shelves in place. And then same thing on the back. I love that these are little push pins instead of those stupid little nails that the other ones give you. I have other shelves like this, and I always hate putting the back on. These are so much easier, and they look nice too. On the shelves, the top and the front are finished. Underneath is an unfinished edge, and the bottom is unfinished as well. And you can see it's made out of like a dense particle board, and it really feels sturdy. Overall, I really love this shelf. It's gonna be perfect for this room, perfect for what I need it for. And I love that it's super sturdy. It's gonna hold my kiddos' books no problem, and just looks so beautiful in this space. And because it comes in so many color options and so many size options and variations, you're going to be able to find the perfect shelf for the space that you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.